Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeChef. In today's video, we are going to look at something that almost every programmer eventually works with, file processing, and in files, we look at CSV files particularly. CSV stands for comma separated values and it's one of the most simplest, commonly used formats for storing tabular data. You probably see CSV files everywhere, exporting contacts, storing user data, attendance sheets, patient information, student grades, everywhere, and everything can be stored in CSV format. And today we are going to learn how to read a CSV file in C, how to write data to a CSV file and understand exactly what happens behind the scenes. So let's jump right in. What is a CSV file? A CSV file is basically just a text file where each line is a row, each value is separated by a comma. So, a row like this, Amit Sharma, 45 has two rows where Amit Sharma is row 1 and age 45. So now, unlike languages like Python or JavaScript, C does not have a built-in CSV parsing. This is actually a great way to understand file handling, string processing, loops, and basic parsing logic. Reading a CSV file in C. Now let's start by reading a simple CSV file called patients.csv. We'll read the file line by line, split values using commas, and print each field neatly on the screen. So here's how the process works. We open the CSV file using fobin, read each line using fgets, split the line using string token with comma as a separator, print each value and close the file with fclose. So let's look at this program. Right here you can see that we started with our standard input-output library and we use car line 100 over here. We create a character array to store each line we read from the CSV files. So here each line can be up to 100 characters. So here we read input until the end of inputs. So here fgets reads one full line and this loop continues until all lines are read. Now here we remove new line character if it is present and we split the line using the comma here which we can see. So here this loop prints all fields in a single line. Each comma separated value is printed separately. Now this printf will print all fields in a row and we move to the next line with the backslash n. We complete the program with the return 0. So here let's give an input. Now here we give a basic data of 3 people and now let's try running this program. Yes, so now you can see that we have our output where we have our patient number, the name of the patient, the age and the diagnosis which is space separated. It is a simple, clean, readable output. Writing to a CSV file. Now that we know how to read a CSV file, let's learn how to write one. Writing is actually much simpler. You just open a file in write mode, use printf to print comma separated values and close the file. Now let's look at a real example where we create a CSV file with student information. Alright, there is a very simple code. We start with a standard input-output library and our main function starts over here. We print a CSV header, name, age and grade. Here we print our basic student data which is the name, age and the grade and backslash n is basically going to the next lines. These lines write 3 rows of student information. Each row contains values separated by commas. Now we run this. Here you can see a sample of a CSV file that is created. In this folder we basically find our student data with name, age and grade. So these are 3 students and their data that we have found. And that's it for today's session. Jump onto the CodeChef compiler and practice what we've learned today. Keep practicing, keep coding and I'll see you in the next video.